Hello everyone, welcome to another Pro Tech tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these shortcut icons that appears on your Google Chrome browser. There's two ways to do it, so let's get straight to the point. The first way, if you just want to get rid of one of them specifically, what you can do is click on the three dots that appears on the upper right corner of the icons of these shortcuts, and you just click remove. And just gonna get rid of one of them. There's also another option to edit the shortcut where you can change the name of it or even the URL it's sending you. So that's the first way. Another way also, if you want to get rid of all of them and don't want them to be in display at all, you can select on the right inferior corner the customize Chrome, and under shortcuts you just click on hide shortcuts. After that, click on done and you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. I would love if you could also comment on this video. It helps me a lot. And have a great day. Thank you.